There's no faster way to make a salary packaging claim than through the Smart website. It only takes a few minutes to upload supporting documents to make your claim and help maximise your tax savings. To make a one-off claim for something you've already paid for, log into your Smart account using your email address registered with Smart. From the side menu under e-claims, click Submit New Claim, followed by Make an Online Claim. You then select the type of expense that you are claiming. Once you've selected the expense type, enter the details of the expense and click Next. You'll need to confirm that you haven't submitted this claim before. Next, you'll need to attach a copy of the relevant document to support your claim. Click Attach Invoices, Receipts to allow you to browse your device and submit the correct file. You then review your reimbursement and contact details, and if everything is correct, click Submit Claim. That's it. Once approved, the claim will be processed and the money paid into your account. Check out the Smart FAQs section on the website for more information.